So today I'm going to be reviewing these boho style storage bins. They're really nicely woven. They're hand woven bins. I get two sizes of it. They come in different colors such as white, beige, and gray. I love the fact that you can use it in your bedroom, you can use it in your bathroom, in your office for storing different things. One thing about this is that it's also a great gift that you can use as a gift idea for people. You can use it in the guest room also, and the sizes of it is 13.4 by 6.7, 3.9 inches, and 11.8 by 5.3, 3.5 inches height. You can store different things in it, hair accessories, and I love that it is made really well. You can see all the stitching is absolutely beautiful, and I think this, for me, it's a win-win all the time. It has great sturdy handles that you can also use to hold and carry it from one place to the other. Absolutely beautiful.